If you are an accredited investor and you are thinking to build a diversified portfolio in crypto, but you feel a bit lost in this task, you are in the right place. Come with me. Hello investors, this is Isaac Suarez, CEO from Paradise Fund, and as we were talking in the introduction of the video, in this video I will give you 5 tips, 5 steps to be able to build a well diversified crypto portfolio adjust to your needs. So without more to see, let's go with the first step. The first step obviously is your appetite of risk and your goals for the investment. You must define how much risk you are able to take. If you are looking for high risk investment with higher returns, or do you prefer a medium or conservative level of risk with lower returns in the long term. So the first of all is to define level of risk, expectations for the returns, and the time that you expect for this investment. The second point is to diversify between several assets. The number of assets will be determined by your investment thesis. If you are willing to invest in crypto, is because you have a vision of why this emerging technology can be adopted in the following years or maybe in the following month, and you expect a growth in the price of these assets. So what is your investment thesis? You think that the blockchains, the smart contract blockchains will support the internet of the future, or maybe you are more close to the video games industry, or maybe you are near to the tokenization of the asset. Depending on what is your investment thesis, that will give you the kind of assets you will invest in and the number of them. A few details I am going to suggest you for do your due diligence. Okay, is to investigate always, obviously, in the website of the project, all the information that they have and them there, and also find the white paper of the project, in where they have all the technical details about the company, the project per se. Then it's very important to verify who is the team behind, who are the heads, who are leading this project. Another important point is to check what is the market cap of this asset, in order to check if it's aligned with what we think. Okay, if we are looking for a conservative risk asset and we check the market cap and we see a very low market cap in comparison with the top 20 of assets of the market, then we can be wrong choosing this asset for our portfolio. And another point which will depend on the kind of asset we are looking for, it is the user base, the number of users that are already using the platform or the project, the protocol, whatever. Again, if we are looking for a startup and we check that the project has been already running for 3 years and have a huge user base and its market cap is high, then maybe we will not obtain the high return we are expecting, okay, because this project is already being consolidated. So it's important to check how many users are already using the platform of the protocol in order to see if it's matched with the kind of asset we are looking for. The third point is to diversify in different investment instruments, okay? The first instrument would be invest directly in crypto assets. The second instrument would be invest in crypto funds. And the third instrument would be invest in ETF. There are pros and cons for each of these instruments, and we will have to choose what percentage we will allocate in each of them, depending on our personal circumstances and our profile as an investor. If, for example, we are willing to study all the projects by ourselves or by our team, and do the following up and do the portfolio management and adjustment by ourselves, then it will be better for us to allocate a big portion of our portfolio directly in the crypto assets we choose. On another hand, if we have not deep knowledge about the industry, about the asset, but still want to take part in this emerging technology, then the crypto funds or the ETF would be a better option for put a bigger percentage of our portfolio on them. With the crypto funds, we can choose a portfolio manager who has already a knowledge and an investment thesis already established, and they will manage and adjust the portfolio for us. We in Paradise Funds offer this kind of service. If you are interested to know more about the service we can provide you in terms of portfolio management, please contact us. In the case of the ETF, again, you will have a more passive investment, just selecting an ETF who is indexed by a basket of assets. Okay. So the fourth point, together with we already were talking about with the investment thesis that you have, is to visualize the future and consider the trends. Why do you want to enter in the crypto market? What do you see? Are you interested in the blockchain infrastructure? Are you interested in the AI? Are you interested in the tokenization of assets? Are you interested in the tokenization of real estate? Are you interested in DeFi? Depending on what you see, you will choose your reason to enter into the market. And it's very important have clear in which trends will be positioned, because the blockchain spectrum is really big. There are a lot of sub-industries within the ecosystem, so we will have to choose in which of them we want to participate. And the last point number 5 is, of course, once we have choose what is going to be our strategy and our portfolio distribution, is to set up the portfolio and adjust and rebalance as long as the time pass. So if we have, for example, designed a portfolio for being managed by ourselves, and the portfolio percentage vary over the time, be able to keep an eye on it and sell part of the asset for rebuy others in order to keep the portfolio well balanced until the exit point, until the end of the strategy. So until here, the video of today. I wish it has been helpful for you. If so, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you would like we bring a specific subject related with the crypto investments to the channel, please let us know on the comments below. Subscribe and give us a like in order to help us to grow the channel. Subscribe for being the first to know about the new videos we will record. And with any else to say, wish you a prosperous and happy day. See you in the next video.